Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back with another video, and today we're talking about CryptoPunks on Tron Network. Okay, so CryptoPunks are these little digital artworks you see here in the background. I'm just going to go to a different site so you can see them better. But basically, you mint these and it automatically generates an artwork. There can be a bunch of different types of attributes that you get, so it's kind of based on luck. You know, they have aliens, which are super rare, apes, less rare, and it gets less rare as you go down, but then they can get all these unique attributes like beanies and lipstick and hats and sunglasses, smoking a vape, and all types of crazy stuff. So this was first released on Ethereum a few years back, and it's been extremely successful. You know, this is one of the first NFTs on Ethereum, which is a non-fungible token, most commonly used for digital collectible artworks in the crypto space. So it was successful on Ethereum. You know, some of these are selling for millions of dollars just because this is like an OG digital artwork, limited supply. Then they went and they launched on Binance. Now I don't think this is the same company, just the same type of concept. There was 10,000 on Binance, I believe 10,000 available that could be minted. Those all sold out, and now punks are coming to Tron Network. TRC 721 tokens, NFTs are now a thing on Tron. So this is very early, and we're going to take a look at this, see what it's all about a little bit. I'm not in on this yet. I'm just kind of researching at this stage and presenting to you guys everything that I've found. So I'm bullish on Tron. I do a lot of things on Tron blockchain. So this is definitely something that I'm just looking into. So this is their site. You can click the link in the description to get here. Also, if you use my link and mint a punk, I'll get a little bit of a reward. So I would really appreciate that. That would be dope. Let's take a look here. What is a T-Punk? CryptoPunks are 10,000 unique collectible characters with a proof of ownership stored on the blockchain. There are a few rare types: apes, zombies, and even the odd alien. I think they even said that they have like a Justin Sun character that is super rare for the T-Punks. So that's something to look into. This just gives some information. Random distribution. In order to make the distribution of T-Punks as fair as possible, T-Punks will be distributed randomly during the sale phase of a month. It is what the great Justin Sun called the next generation of digital art collectibles, and T-Punks takes pride into adopting this uniquest of all traits. So guys, there's some clear issues with this site. It's not very detailed. I can't even click anything to see what a T-Punk would look like through their site. So it's still up in the air, but I think it's still promising at the same time, you know. And I have much more information to present to give you the good and the bad, so that's why I'm making this video. So you can click mint, come to mint a T-Punk. It's going to cost 5,000 TRX to mint a T-Punk. If we type that in, it's about $325 to mint a T-Punk. Currently, there have only been 40 minted. It looks like if you want to mint more at one time, you can do that. But what I use on Tron is the Tron Link wallet. So it's this wallet up here. I have tutorials on that as well. So you could learn how to get this wallet and how to use it. It's very simple. Pretty much the same thing as MetaMask, except I actually think it works better than MetaMask. But you would just click mint a T-Punk, and then you're going to get a pop-up, and you would click accept. So you would have like a gallery of yours here, an overview of your wallet. Now I don't have anything yet, but I did talk to someone who does have one. So like they minted one. This is what theirs looked like. So it's actually working. It's just the site doesn't have much functionality there yet. I'm not sure who's developing the site. I'm trying to talk to them on Telegram, see what they're all about, see if they're going to do updates to the site, because as you guys can see, the site is pretty bare bones at this point. There's not much information. You know, I like how this Ethereum one shows all these attributes, and like you can click on these and go to a detailed view of this punk. It shows exactly what it is, the accessories, the attributes, all of the transaction history. So I'm wondering if this team is able to create something of that caliber. You can come right here and click on this. It'll take you to the contract. You can go to the transactions. This is Tron Scan, basically the Tron Blockchain Explorer. It's going to show you that all of the transactions are happening, like it's legitimately minting these punks. I'm not an expert in reviewing code or anything like that, so I can't tell you if there's any flaws in this contract. You know, it's very early, so I can just see like, okay, this is confirming and people are minting these punks for 5,000 TRX. This person minted 5 punks, so it's happening, it's doing something. I would just like for their team to update the website and make it better so it's a legitimate competitor for CryptoPunks on ETH and BPunks on Binance. And you can come to their Telegram group and ask questions as well. You know, this is what I'm doing. I'm asking the questions and hoping that someone on their team responds. So yeah, that's where it's at. TPunks, CryptoPunks on Tron. Maybe mint some punks, get in early. It'll be interesting to see how this one plays out. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.